Okay, so the next thing is waiting for this to dry. And I'm just going to take my little pencil here, see if it's dry. Okay, so it sounds dry. Okay, okay, I don't feel too rubbery. Oh, okay. So the next thing you have to do is shape the nail after it's good and dry. I don't know how this is going to turn out here because this usually turns out like really rubbery. Yeah, so it's got like this, it still has like that little rubbery like texture, but you don't, you want to make sure it's nice and crisp. Everything's looking good. Yeah, see, just, I don't know if y'all can see that, but this rubbery stuff comes off. That's what the downfall of this. But the good thing about this, though, is that you have more room. You have more wiggle room when it comes to the acrylic actually setting. So you have more time to actually like manipulate the acrylic where you want it, how you want it. Yeah. Ugh, that's the part I hate so much about this acrylic. But it takes a while to actually like harden, like full throttle, like really harden. Right now it's like it's dry and everything. However, it's just when you go to try to shape the nail, it just kind of I just hate this part right here because it's like rubbery and it's just kind of weird. And what you want to do, which I forgot to say too, excuse me, sorry, so late. But you want to have your nail shape. You want to cut your nail. You don't have to have it this long, of course. You can cut the nail to your liking prior to you doing all of this work. But I like on these, on the mannequin hand, I like to have it long. So that's just me. Okay, so that's that. Just gotta kind of get all this. And I like to just kind of spray it down too a little bit with some alcohol. Just kind of